Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for birth number 1. That means if you're born on the 1st, 10th or 19th or 28th of any month, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you is number 33, guidance. So I think first things first, number 33, 3 plus 3 is 6. That means we are looking at, that you have the blessings of Venus, especially when it comes to general messages for the month of May. It's telling me that you are going to be guided by the divine. Whatever you are doing, if things have been hard, if things have been tough, do not worry, because the guidance of the god is there. Also, number 33 represents, a prosperity in general. So prosperity not only in finances, prosperity not only in your relationships, but it's an energy of general prosperity. And if you can see, you are being divinely guided by angels on the other side. So if you believe in god, take that god is there for you, god is going to help you out. But if you don't believe in god and you believe, there's a spirit, or there are angels who look after you, well, definitely angels are looking after you. They want you, they want to take care of you, and they are guiding you. So this is also telling me, because it's number 6, right? So number 6 represented by Venus also represents that your focus of the month would be on collecting resources. So collecting finances, improving your finances. There could also be an increase in terms of having sweet stuff. So you could be having a lot of sweets, you could be eating a lot more than usual. Another thing that is prominent here is a lot of you might be thinking about starting in new relationships or going into relationships because of the energy of Venus. Let's see what other cards or what other messages we have for you. The first card that I have for you is the 6 of Cups. See, again, number 6. So we are still talking about the energy of Venus, and 6 of Cups is telling me that somebody, for not everyone, but for some of you, somebody who is your ex is going to come back, and you are going to get a chance of reconciliation. It is also telling me, for some of you guys, you are in a relationship where the other person has more power on you. There's like an inequality in your relationship. And when Venus comes up, Venus is a number of harmony, so you have to make sure there is balance. The next card that I have for you guys is the 4 of Cups. And because there is lack of balance, what is happening is you are not feeling satisfied in this relationship that you have. You could be going through this period in your life where you feel like life is not giving you the result as it should, and that's leaving you unsatisfied, and it's leaving you sort of depressed, and you're not welcoming the opportunities that are coming towards you, but you're too focused on things that you don't have. The next card that I have for you is the Queen of Wands. Now, for a lot of ladies, I'm going to pull this a little bit here. So, for a lot of ladies who are watching this, I do feel like, you are going to bring in your entrepreneurial spirit. Another thing you have to remember is, number one, people in general, when we follow numerology, number one, people are natural leaders. They have that fiery energy in them, they have that fiery element in them where they want to lead, they want to initiate things. And with the Wands energy, which is again a fire sign, so we are looking at, if in terms of zodiacs, we are looking at Libra, we are looking at Taurus, we are looking at um Cancer, we are looking at Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So all these signs. But definitely somebody is coming into power, whether at work or in a relationship, in a situationship. You definitely are dealing with somebody who is very passionate, who comes across as very attractive, especially a woman. The next card that I have for you guys is the 2 of Cups. See, a lot of Cups cards. Now, 2 of Cups coming here, and with all these, for a lot of people, this is how it's going to go in two ways. Either your ex is going to come back if you're going through a divorce, or if you are going through not really a divorce but a separation zone. There are very strong chances of reconciliation that are going to happen. For a lot of others who have broken up, I do see your person coming back and offering you an apology. For singles, yes, there is this energy of somebody from your past coming back, or even somebody new coming back and offering you a relationship sort of a thing. The next card I have for you, 100%. Okay, I was not sure about it now, but with the Ace of Cups, I'm pretty sure somebody is coming back and somebody is going to offer you, this chance to start a relationship, or to, start this emotional connection. And the thing is, you guys are going to, like, you might meet, This is for people who are seeing people, in an arranged marriage setting. I do see that, you have been trying your best. You are getting out of your comfort zone, and you do have a list of people that you want. You want this particular person to have all these characteristics, and because you yourself are independent, yet you're going through this arranged marriage route, and it does seem like you are going to connect with somebody. So overall, if I have to see from relationship perspective, these cards look pretty great. Yeah, let's see what other messages I have for you. Now that's a lot of cups coming up. A lot of you might have to travel. um, you might have to travel to a different state, to a different country or to a different place. I don't think this one is applicable for people in India, but for people who are going to watch this from any other place except India, I think I do see you moving out. For another group, I do see, there have been sort of ups and downs in your relationships, and despite wanting to connect, there are certain aspects of your relationship where you guys are not connecting with your partner. The emotional connection is there, but you're still looking for something that brings more joy and more spark into your life. And I do see some of you, taking the time out to understand yourself in and out before you make this decision. Three of Cups, absolutely. I see a wedding, I see an engagement, I see a lot of lovely things. And when we're talking about this, well, I just wanted to show you this amazing thing that my sister got me. I'm going to share the link as well as the code that you can use to get, I think it's about a 60% discount. So if you guys are interested, do check it out. They have amazing jewelry. But yeah, off the topic, but yeah, let's get back. So definitely, you guys are going to be celebrating something. um, Not for all, but for very few, there could be a news of pregnancy. Not for all, but for very few of you. So yeah, so if you guys have been trying for it, I do see, you guys might be spending time away, or in isolation, where you are trying to do the sexy stuff because you want something, you want a part of you to be there in the world. Another thing, moving forward with the cards that are going, is that you have the Hangman Unicorn, which is telling me you could be dealing with a Pisces sign. And one thing that you really need to make sure is that whatever you are going through in your relationship, it is happening because there is a lesson that has to be learned, and you have to have patience. I feel like you guys could be pushing the relationship to progress, or you could be pushing things, or situationship, or whatever it is that is going on. You're pushing it so that it can convert into something very quickly. But the idea here is for you to have patience, because the universe is not going to go according to you. You have to go according to the universe for now. And that's why the Hangman card is here, which is a card of patience, which is a card of looking at the world from a different perspective. So yeah, make sure you do that. The next card that I have for you guys is the Nine of Pentacles. So definitely, no matter what happens, you guys are going to end up in a very, very strong independent position towards the end, especially financially. At the bottom of the deck, I have the Six of Swords. So for a lot of people, this is again telling me that your ex is coming back. You are going to get an apology. For all those people who do not want their ex to come back, I do see you are going to get healed. You are going to start looking at the world through a different lens altogether, and your idea of love is going to go through a little bit of change for the better. And the thing is, all of it is moving you towards a more stable, to a more confident future. So the way you are looking at the world is changing. You're becoming more independent and more confident, and that's an amazing thing. I think this would be all for now. Don't forget to check your career readings and your love readings by your zodiac.